What are y'all up to? Let's check on these seeds this morning here. It's water day. Okay. Sweet banana peppers. They're starting to pop up. They weren't up the last time I was in here. And it's good news right there. You see that? Bell peppers. And man, my tomatoes are doing phenomenal. Oh yeah, and now they got their first true leaves now. If you look, see the two bigger leaves are the cotyledons, okay? That's what gives it the energy until it creates its true leaves, which are those. So now we got true leaves on these, and that is good news right here. It looks like there's only one, two, four cells in these that didn't germinate. However, I have a couple with some doubles. So I got almost perfect germination. Same thing here. There's a couple that 1, 2, 3, 4 that didn't pop up, but I got some doubles. So I got perfect germination. That's awesome. And I'm in the process of hanging up some reflective material here because I'm afraid my lights are going to be too high. And I got to lower them, and I can. But I'll be honest, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So the more light that I can direct down here, the better. If I see them stretching, see right now they seem really healthy. I don't see them stretching for light right now. So I'm going to keep them where they're at. Let's see, sweet Spanish onions. Yes, sweet onions coming up. No cauliflower yet. We got larkspur. Those are flowers. Same thing, larkspur. It's a different larkspur, but those are coming up. Walla Wallas. I got to pull that weed out of there. I haven't pulled it yet, but those are supposed to be Lysianthus, and they're tiny, but you could see them in there. Kind of like petunias. More Lysianthus. They're still slowly coming up. Oh, that one's got 2 sets of leaves. That's a good sign right there. And these are bunching onions. Sweet. Oh, and these I just planted yesterday, actually. And these are ranunculus. These things are gorgeous. They kind of resemble maybe like a rose and a peony kind of mix, but they look a lot like a rose. But yeah, those are just planted, and those come in crowns that you just plant. So kind of like strawberries, you plant their crowns. Same thing with these. But anyways, that's the seed update, y'all. I'm getting great germination. So till the next episode, happy farming, y'all. Later.